if you want to become a front-end developer, but you are not sure whether the Meta Front-End Developer Professional Certificate on Coursera actually helps with real job skills, or just teaches theory, this video will help you decide clearly in the next few minutes. These skills are commonly used in web development teams, startup product environments, and modern companies building websites and web applications. In this video, I will explain what skills you learn, who this certificate is for, how it supports careers, and how this learning resource can make you pass your exam first try. This certificate is designed for beginners who want structured front-end development skills. Step by step, many learners get confused because web development includes front-end, back-end, full-stack, and user interface design, making it difficult to choose the right starting point. This program mainly focuses on front-end development. After completing it, you will be able to build responsive web pages using HTML and CSS, create interactivity with JavaScript, and work with React for modern web applications. You also learn Git and GitHub, which are widely used inside software teams. These skills appear in real jobs where developers work on websites, dashboards, e-commerce systems, and customer-facing applications. One important question many learners ask is whether this certificate is enough to start a career pathway or whether it works better as a supporting specialization. I will suggest that this learning resource for it will help you pass your exam first try. Career pathways supported by this course include FE Junior Front-End Developer, FE Web Developer, FE React Developer, FE User Interface Developer. After completing this certificate, you will be able to FE build responsive websites, FE create interactive web experiences, FE work with React components, FE manage code using Git and GitHub. In a moment, I'll explain who benefits the most from this certificate and whether beginners should start with it first. One useful thing about this program is that it focuses specifically on front-end web development, rather than deeper back-end engineering learning pathways. Structured learning like this is usually more effective than relying on scattered tutorials, because workplace skills depend on understanding how tools connect together rather than learning them separately. This certificate is best for beginners and career switchers who want guided learning with practical projects. However, learners looking for advanced back-end engineering or deep computer science theory may need more specialized learning later. The skill level is beginner-friendly. Most learners usually spend around 6 to 10 hours weekly depending on their pace and consistency. Learning with this certificate is especially useful for learners preparing to move toward front-end and user interface development roles by making you pass your exam first try. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.